sing us your blues, joined by the Orioles, hardly in tune, but it doesn't matter to me, nor to you. Good morning again, you sung me away from a tireless sleep in these covers like drapes. You've drawn me out and into the day, and then flew away because pretty things only stay temporarily with me. Oh, pretty things only stay temporarily with me. Beauty is fleeting. Oh, little bird, you just wanted in, but the window stopped you cold as my skin. When I scooped you up from the snow and put you in a hole, a poor funeral for pretty things only stay temporarily with me. Oh, pretty things only stay temporarily with me. Beauty is fleeting. The power lines smile beneath their weight. You can see them from miles. They've come to stay, in the barest of trees now appear to have leaves made up entirely of feathers and beaks. And suddenly the sky is blacked by cold, darkening our homes. We know the sun eclipsed the mother spoke. Could hear guys so much. Come talk to me. I love you. I'll see you later.